Hi viewers, and this is another one of my vacuum videos, and I'm going to be reviewing how good the Hoover Air vacuums. Well, Hoover Air vacuum bag. So I have some yuckies in my thing here.
Wow.
I don't want to stick my hand in there right now, so I'm just going to get this the more efficient way. Take off that. Take off the filter. Here's what I say is more efficient. I'm slamming it onto the carpet. Throw that over there. And then the rest of the yuckies move in.
Holy moly.
My sister's playing a game on her camera. A little toy camera. No. Some little sisters might have. So we put all this back together. So then I was doing a couple vacuum tests right now, but I wasn't recording it. But let's see how much it goes. You know what? Before I do that, I'm just going to stomp this into the carpet. Okay, now that. I may do another vacuum test with this, just with Cheerios or something. Put that back.
Here, go ahead.
I use a one foot patch in the middle.
Hello.
How good it does.
Hi.
That's pretty clean.
She isn't here. I'm recording Angelo vacuuming the floor.
So I'm going to finish this and then let's see.
He's making a little video for his YouTube. Can you hear me? Vanessa.
Who's that?
Hello? Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, my sister's
Yes, I am. Oh, here comes your mom now. Why don't you get the door, Angelo?
What?
Here, I locked it.
Okay.
Okay. Here, let me push stop on this.